Good afternoon, friends. Today, in this lockdown period, we have a very important webinar on LinkedIn profile, how to connect with more people, how to engage the more professional to your profile. We have a wonderful personality with us, Sampak Sachdeva. He is a wonderful LinkedIn profile holder, connected more than 50,000 organic followers. For more formal introduction, would like to request Sanjeet Jain. Before that, would like to request Abhishek to have a few words, and also for introduce the Fanil Bhai, our chairman of Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICI. Over to you, Abhishek.
Yes, thank you, Virag, for organizing such a wonderful webinar. Means you have thought out of box. It's really good because out of GST, income tax, and this kind of technical subjects, you have reached at a new level. So congratulations and great initiative. And I welcome CAs. Sampark Sachdev, CA Fenil Shah, CA TC Bafna, and CA Sanchit Jain on this platform, and CA Vikas Jain, Regional Council Member WIRC. He might be not be able to speak, I don't know, due to some technical reason, but as our Prime Minister also suggested that Digital India is the new theme for India, and during this lockdown, we all learned that the upcoming future is only on digital thing. So your LinkedIn profile you will get the jobs, opportunity, all kind of things. So it's really highly appreciated. And now I request CA Fenil Shah, Chairman of Ahmedabad branch of WIRC, to say a few words about this program and network.
Thank you, Abhishek ji. And first of all, a warm welcome to the learned speaker for the session, Mr. Sampark Sachdeva. Also, thank you for Virag ji to invite me to this particular session to just get an opportunity to share my words with all the panelists and the distinguished members attending this webinar. As Abhishek ji rightly told, that whenever we right now see at all the webinars which are being arranged, they all are focusing on one or the another professional work or the professional field in which we are there. Then may it be GST, may it be working from home, or may it be on direct taxes. Okay, agree, they are required. But you can say that right now we are facing this COVID-19 pandemic situation, which is termed as a black swan event. What I mean to say by this black swan event, an event which was not ascertained earlier, or we were not having any kind of idea earlier, so that we were predicted any kind of precautions for the same. Also, this is having a negative impact, and also how much further this impact will be there, it cannot be estimated. So based on all these things, we can say that yes, soon we are going to have a normal, but the normal is not going to be as normal as it was earlier. So nowadays, in my opinion, how much important it was earlier to have a physical office, probably more or equal important will be to have your virtual presence. And in that scenario, you can say that this webinar turns out to be 100 out of 100, because it's a need of time, and very rarely found out at some place that we are having a webinar on having this good profile on LinkedIn. Virat, if I take 2 minutes to say something that audience get benefited of that, then I can say that a professional platform which is even better than Twitter, because it has business, it combines both business needs and professional needs, which was founded by Reid Hoffman in 2002, 17 years ago. But I would like to add one more thing here, that all the participants, if really wants to know something more than LinkedIn, then you can always visit, or you can always listen to one podcast by the founder of this LinkedIn, which is named as Masters of Scale. You just Google it out. In that, he regularly conducts a podcast and he tells that how the great leaders convert their corporates and businesses from 0 to gazillion levels. Friends, if you listen to this, it is really mind-blowing ideas they come out, and they are not just ideas from the mind, but they are ideas which are really implemented. If you listen to this podcast, you will really gain insight which you can also deliver to the clients who are in need. So I request that once you get time, please visit this podcast. The name is Masters of Scale by the founder of LinkedIn. It's very fruitful and it will be very beneficial. So with these words, I rest myself, and I again congratulate the team for having such a good webinar. And I can say that surely after listening to this webinar, competition always prevails, but for mass, it was a constraint. But after attending this webinar, for this class people, it will be a companion. Thank you.
Thank you, Fanil Bhai, for your kind words. We have a Vikas Jain. Vikas Bhai, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Please, your special remarks, opening remarks for our session.
Thank you very much. Virag Bhai, Bapna Saab is here. Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, and my dear friend Fanil Bhai is here. Abhishek Bhai, Sanchit Bhai, and speaker for the session, very renowned faculty, and all the participants. Very good afternoon to all of you. Friends, it is indeed out of box thinking, I would say, Virag Bhai and team, that a seminar that has been, or the webinar that has been conducted on such a nice topic. In fact, I was also appealed to or attracted by this particular topic, and I said, Virag Bhai, that I would like to attend the entire webinar today. So, and in today's time, I would say, gone are those days when we used to have the traditional ways and means of connecting people. But now I have witnessed so many growth stories or success stories, I would say, that I have seen, whereby the people using LinkedIn or the social networking have done. And this LinkedIn is beyond social networking. It is a professional networking, I would say. So yes, it's a great seminar, and Virag Bhai and the team, all the best, and keep on doing such kind of more and more webinars. Thank you, friends.
Thank you. I just want to add one point that it's a idea is of my wife. First, Sarika
Oh, great.
Sampakji. So Sampakji has a big smile on his face because he know that. I would like to now Bapna ji. Bapna ji, please your special remarks on our program. Our guide, JCF President Navi Mumbai. Bapna ji, unmute yourself.
Opportunity to welcome.
Yes.
Welcome this renowned personality of Sampak Sachdeva on this platform for the value addition for the professional people. It is different from the regular subject and other thing. This is a very separate subject, and everybody having interest in this LinkedIn. I'm also very much interested in this subject, so I had interested to join this seminar to take some benefit on this. Thank you, Sachdeva ji. Thank you, Virag. Thank you, Abhishek. Having a program, good program for the viewers. Thank you.
Now I would like to request CA Sanchit Jain to formally introduce our speaker, Sampak Sachdeva ji.
Thank you, Virag. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome on this platform Mr. Sampak Sachdeva. So just to give a very brief introduction, he has over 50,000 organic followers over the years with over 1,000 posts, and they have garnered over 12 million views. So he's basically from a marketing kind of a background, has worked with a lot of corporates like Asian Paints, Ola, Oyo, so on and so forth. So he has also recently begun his own training startup, and the most important part of the introduction would be that he was a part of the LinkedIn Spotlight in 2019 list. So this is an award by LinkedIn for top 14 content creators in India, and those who have maximum engagement and viewed content. So we are really honored to have such a dignified personality between us to guide us. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sampak ji. It's now all yours for next 1.5 hours. Thank you so much all for joining.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Just let me share my screen. Virag, is the screen visible? Can you see the screen?
The screen is visible.
Yes, yeah, visible.
So good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming in on an afternoon. I know 3 o'clock just post lunch becomes a very difficult time. So guys, So over the next 1 hour or so, I will take you through a presentation on how do you become a champion of LinkedIn. Towards the end, अगर आप लोग के पास कोई questions है, there is a questions tab. Please put it in the questions tab and not the chat tab. The questions tab में डाल दीजिएगा. Towards the end, I will open that and I will answer all the questions that you have on there. Towards the end, in the chat box, me or Virag will also put up a feedback form. So please, एक special request है कि वो feedback form जरूर भरिएगा, because then that's the only way I will be able to understand on how you liked it, what can I improve, what I should add, etc. So those are the only 2 requests. So guys, so we can start. A little about me. So Sanchit gave a small brief about who I am, what I do, etc. So I'll just go again in short. I started with Asian Paints. I was with Asian Paints for 5 years in their sales vertical. I was heading East India for that period there. And then 2015, I moved into Ola. Ola, one of the biggest startups that the country has. And then I went into another one of the bigger startups, which is Oyo. And that's where I still am currently. And LinkedIn for me has always been a passion. Around 5 years have happened जब से मैं LinkedIn पे full-fledged flow में हूँ. So I've written over 1,000 posts. कुछ उसमें 1.25 crore views हुए हैं. I have over 50,000 followers following me organically. That is just basis the content, and courtesy which I was part of the LinkedIn Spotlight list last year. This is an award given by LinkedIn to the top 14 content creators in the country, out of over 7 crore people who are on LinkedIn from India. So that's something about me. Now the point is, I will not go through the stats, but the important part becomes, why is LinkedIn important, and why is it important for all 200 of you who are here today? Guys, as chartered accountants, आपके एक्ट का सबसे पहला एक रूल होता है कि आप अपने बारे में मार्केटिंग नहीं कर सकते, and that's a rule of this. And since you cannot market, there is no way that you can get new customers. But till the time you reach out to people and showcase your thought leadership, till the time you go out and showcase what knowledge you have, how you can help people, that in itself, the moment आप अपना एक self brand build कर लेते हैं, because as CAs, customers come to you for your knowledge, ना कि what is the name of your firm or etc. But if they trust you, they believe in you, they will come to you. And how is the way to build trust? Is to showcase that you are an expert in your field. It is by showcasing that you are thought leader in your field, and LinkedIn becomes one of the most important platforms for that. अब आप बोलेंगे there are other social media channels, there is Facebook, there is Instagram, etc. But where is your target audience? आपका target audience कौन है? Either business owners है, corporates है, people who are filing their taxes, people जिनकी company से जो audit कर रहे हैं, all those people on a professional front will be on a platform like LinkedIn. So move aside every other social media channel. If you want to generate business, this is the platform that you need to be in. If you want to create your impression as an expert, this is the platform that you need to be in. If there is one platform where you need to create your personal brand as CA XYZ, this is the platform that you need to be in. I will take over 2 parts. The first part is, how do you build a LinkedIn profile? How is it important? आप अपनी प्रोफाइल को कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज कर सकते हो? How can you put in things that make you look like the expert that you are? And the second part is कि इस प्रोफाइल में आप आगे फंक्शन कैसे कर सकते हैं? Now LinkedIn में 3 चीज सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. उसमें से सबसे पहली चीज is your profile picture. Now decide, पहले बहुत क्लियरली दीजिएगा कि the photograph that you have is good high resolution photograph, क्योंकि हर बंदा जो आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आता है and he clicks on the photograph, अगर वो फोटोग्राफ फट रही है, that means the resolution is bad. आपकी फोटो दूर से नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपकी फोटो बहुत प्रोफेशनल होनी चाहिए, आपके लोगोज नहीं होने चाहिए, फोटोज क्रॉप्ड नहीं होनी चाहिए. So need not be in a suit, but it should be in a professional attire. आपकी फोटो बिल्कुल प्रोफेशनल होनी चाहिए. So please make sure the photographs that you put, ऐसा नहीं कि सनग्लासेस पहने हुए हैं फोटोग्राफ है, आप कहीं घूमने गए हैं वहां की फोटोग्राफ है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. बिकॉज आप एक एक्सपर्ट है, आपकी फोटोग्राफ से भी आप एक्सपर्ट लगने चाहिए. Hence your profile picture should be very professional. So there are 3 things which are visible to anybody even without coming to your profile. One is your name, one is your profile picture, and third is this part. Now these 3 things become very important, and the third part is your headline, and I will come to what the headline is. Why is the headline most important? तो अगर आपने अपनी LinkedIn प्रोफाइल देखी होगी, आपके फोटोग्राफ, नाम के नीचे एक हेडलाइन का सेक्शन होगा. आपके पास 120 कैरेक्टर होते हैं to write about yourself. Now why is that important? If you sending a message to someone, your headline is visible. आप किसी को इनविटेशन भेज रहे हैं, your headline is visible. अगर कोई गूगल सर्च कर रहा है तो आपका हेडलाइन विजिबल है. अगर कोई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट करके सर्च करता है तब भी आपका हेडलाइन विजिबल है. So there are 10 places where your headline is visible even without the customer or the so-called person coming to your profile. अब आप ये 3 चीजें, आपका नाम, आपकी फोटोग्राफ और आपकी हेडलाइन हर जगह विजिबल होती है. अब आप नाम में आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते, फोटोग्राफ में आप थोड़ा बहुत चेंज कर सकते हो, फोटोशॉप कर दिया, अच्छी फोटो खींच दी, बट देन अपनी शक्ल तो अपनी शक्ल है, उसको आप चेंज कर नहीं सकते. आप क्या चेंज कर सकते हो इज योर हेडलाइन. एंड नाउ व्हाई डज द हेडलाइन बिकम सो इंपॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज आपकी हेडलाइन देख के द प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर या द प्रोस्पेक्टिव व्यूअर डिसाइड्स कि वो आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आना चाहता है कि नहीं. क्या आप इतना इंटरेस्ट बना पा रहे हो कि वो आपके नाम पे क्लिक करके आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आता है कि नहीं. Hence, your headline becomes very, very, very important. In short, I will say your headline becomes the most important part. Now, आपकी हेडलाइन में क्या होना चाहिए और क्या नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर आप सिर्फ एज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, अगर आप सिर्फ लिख देंगे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, अब सर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट में, मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी फील्ड से नहीं आता, बट एज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स आपके बहुत सारे स्ट्रीम्स होते हैं. देयर इज सम पीपल जो ऑडिटिंग में है, देयर आर सम पीपल जो टैक्सेशन में है, देयर आर सम पीपल जो स्पेसिफिकली इनकम टैक्स में है. नाउ अब कस्टमर जब देखता है चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, अब लोगों को तो परसेप्शन होता है कि सारे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट सिर्फ इनकम टैक्स भरते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं होता, और ये आप जानते हैं. या आपका कोई कॉर्पोरेट कस्टमर बन सकता है. सो योर हेडलाइन शुड गिव इन डिटेल. सो इट कैन बी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एट XYZ फर्म, एंड उसके आगे आप अपनी स्पेशलाइजेशन या स्पेशलिटीज जो भी आपकी हैं, GST हो गया, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस हो गया, डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस हो गया, जो भी होता है सर, टर्मिनोलॉजी समथिंग दैट आई माइट नॉट नो is one way of putting it. Or you say CA at XYZ firm, with the next phrase being helping people solve their taxation issues, helping corporates solve their auditing issues, helping corporates clear up their accountancy problems. So it can be two ways. Either आप अपनी specialization डालिए, या आप डालिए कि आप दूसरों के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं. तभी कोई तीसरा जब आपकी प्रोफाइल देखेगा, he realizes you are a chartered accountant and how you can help him. Hence he gets enticed. So आपकी हेडलाइन में थोड़ा सोच समझ के, थोड़ा सा टाइम दे के अच्छी सी हेडलाइन डिसाइड करिएगा, उसके हिसाब से आप हेडलाइन डालिएगा. So there are two ways that I will recommend. One is what you do. So CA or a chartered accountant at what firm, along with either the specializations or with the phrase saying helping corporates, helping individual, helping businesses do what. So that is very, very important. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है that you might have to do a little bit of a trial and error to see what fits into you, what works, so you can keep improving it as you go along. Now what has happened? So आपने headline कर लिया, आपने profile pick कर लिया, and आपने अपना name तो है ही है. Now with these three things, you have induced that interest in a customer. If it's somebody who's a prospective customer, his interest has come. Now what he does, he clicks on your name and he comes to your profile. Now when he comes to your profile, the first thing that he sees is the cover picture right on the top, the image behind your photograph. Now a fun fact here is that 80% of people on LinkedIn are still on the default blue cover picture, the one that you see on the bottom left. 80% of the people have not even changed it. Now, again, I'm not saying it is a marketing space, because I know you can't do marketing, but it's your personal profile. And when you're talking about your personal profile, right at the top, you have enough space to tell the people who are you, give personality about you, showcase a little bit of idea about you. Now, what are the ways of doing it? Either you can put which firm are you working with, so maybe a logo there, maybe, and the 3-4 things that you are working with, or you can just talk about 3-4 things where you can say what you can do for the people. So you're talking about bullet points of the 5 things that you can do for people. So that's how it is. So the point is, change your cover picture. Somebody who comes to your profile, the first thing he sees is the cover picture. Please get it customized. There are a lot of softwares where you can go and you can customize it, and you can talk about the company that you're talking about. Now don't stuff it. It has to be very clean, very neat, maybe a few words, maybe one line, maybe 2-3 bullet points, but bhar mat dijiyega, because then the moment you fill it up, then it loses the flow out of it. So that's where the cover picture becomes very, very important. Now what has happened with the headline and the name and the photograph? You have pulled somebody onto your profile, you've made a beautiful cover picture. With the cover picture, you've induced a little bit of interest in the customer, and he's like, wow, I come to somebody who's very, very interesting, somebody very important profile. So what he does is he or she starts scrolling, and when he starts scrolling, the next thing that they see is the summary. Now summary is just below your headline. So अगर आप राइट में फोटोग्राफ देखेंगे, आपका हेडलाइन हो गया, आपकी कवर पिक्चर होगी, उसके नीचे आपकी समरी आती है. Now why does summary become so important? Because see, everybody who comes to your profile may or may not get a chance to speak to you. अगर वो आपसे बात कर रहा है तब तो आप उसको हमेशा अपने बारे में बता सकते हो, बट अगर वो आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा, how is it that you can pull that interest? Guys, every part of the LinkedIn profile should add value to your image. Every part of the LinkedIn profile should add strength to the image that you create. So that is where the summary becomes very, very important. Now when you're writing the summary, you have space to write 15 to 17 lines. कई लोग क्या करते हैं, 3 लाइन लिख के छोड़ देते हैं. अरे भाई, जब 15 से 17 लाइन लिखने की जगह है तो अपने बारे में 15 लाइनें तो लिख ही सकते हो. So that is where it becomes very, very important कि आपकी प्रोफाइल समरी पढ़ के सामने वाले को पूरा समझ आ जाना चाहिए कि संपर्क कौन है, या विराग कौन है, या संचित कौन है. सामने वाले को पढ़ के पूरा समझ आ जाना चाहिए. नाउ पहली 3 लाइन विजिबल होती हैं. Once the first 3 lines are visible, if you are able to pull interest of the customer, he will click on see more and the whole profile opens up. Now one thing, a lot of people write it in third person. Sampark is an employee of this company. Guys, it is your personal profile. It is your own individual profile. Please write in first person. It should be, this is my profile. I do this. This is what I have done. So it should be about I, and it should not be about what Sampark has done. So use it in first person. Again, when somebody is doing Google search, तो यहाँ से words pick होते हैं. So ensure that you are using the proper keywords that you want. अच्छा, अब इसके अंदर भर के paragraphs नहीं लिखने. Break it into small paragraphs, 2 lines, 3 lines, so that it is very easy to read. Use bullet points if need be. So first paragraph should be about you. How many years of work experience do you have? What industry are you working in? What stream of chartered accountancy are you working in? Then you talk one line about the firm or the association that you are part of. That I run this firm, which is this, especially targeting big SMEs or big corporates, etc., and helping them with their accounting, auditing, whatever. So आप पहला लाइन आपके बारे में, दूसरा पैराग्राफ आपके फर्म के बारे में, तीसरा आप अपने आप को आगे कहाँ देखते हैं. So maybe as you go ahead, where do you see the firm? What is your aspiration? Where do you want to be? The fourth paragraph should be about you beyond work. Now guys, the whole thing is, and you ask a lot of laymen, what do you think about chartered accountants? They have the perception of very, very technical knowledge, very, very well educated, but then I'm sure you have a human side. You like reading books, you like traveling, you like watching plays or theater or stand-up comedy. So that fourth paragraph should be about you in general, because you have to add that personality, you have to add that context to your story. The whole summary can be in a story format also. How did you start? Where are you right now? Where you intend to be? So it can be a full point of storyline about you as an individual brand. That's where it becomes very, very important. Your last paragraph of the summary, and guys, I hope you're taking notes on what you need to do, so that after you go, you are able to make that makeover to your profile. The last part of the summary should be a call to action. Now, what is a call to action? It is how can this customer connect with you? How can he contact you? Now, you will say, sir, there is a contact option on the top or at the bottom. Why should I add separately? But the point is that somebody who's read the summary and somebody who's very, very interested in knowing you should know how to contact you right then and there. The moment he becomes vulnerable and he starts thinking, Acha, this guy looks interesting, I should speak to him, he should know how he should speak to you. So you can contact me at this email ID, You can also check out my website www.xyz.com. If you want to put your phone number, you can put your phone number also. But summary ka last line should be your call to action, which should be your email ID, your website, and if you are comfortable, even a phone number. So that becomes very important part of the summary. Now summary ke bilkul niche there is a featured section. Now featured section is a place where you can add video links, you can put up photographs, you can put up article links, etc. Now why does this become important? Now as a chartered accountant, you've been felicitated somewhere, you have won some award, you have written an article which has got published in some journal, you have written an article which has got published in a newspaper. See again, आपने summary में आपने अपने बारे में बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें की हैं, बट अगर आपके पास नीचे कोई सपोर्टिंग है, कोई वीडियो है, कोई लिंक्स है, कोई फोटोग्राफ्स है जो आपकी बड़ी बड़ी बातों को जस्टिफाई कर सकता है, तो आप वो मीडिया लिंक्स में जरूर डालिएगा. दैट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज दैट इज द प्रूफ of whatever you have written on above the summary. So that's where it is. And then so these 4-5 things become very very important. You need to focus a lot on this. The next part, I will not go into each part very very separately. I will take 5 minutes and explain all of them together because yahan basic understanding tab bhi logo ko hai. Now experience में भी आपने कौन सी फर्म में काम कर रहे हैं, आपने अपना आर्टिकलशिप कहाँ किया है, क्या आपने पहले कहीं पे किसी कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया है बिफोर ओपनिंग योर ओन फर्म, whichever way. Add all your experiences, add all your roles. Yahan also you get a media attachment ka option. So in case somewhere you've got so something which is very very big, your top 5 journal entries or sorry when I say your articles etc. you put on the top, but something not so important you can put here as well in the experience section. So you have another place to add attachments. एजुकेशन प्लीज अपनी पूरी एजुकेशन सारी डिटेल्स डालिए, आपने कोई और सर्टिफिकेशंस किए हैं तो वो भी जरूर डालिएगा बिकॉज एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोफाइल should shout and tell that you are a very very strong personality, a very very learned personality, you are an expert in the field. Now again, everything from the summary, headline, cover, picture is again you shouting about yourself. There are only 2 more places where somebody else talks about you and very very ignored places. One is your recommendation, one is your skill. Now recommendation is your clients writing about you, your colleagues writing about you, your mentors writing about you. Guys, when somebody else says that yes he's a very good individual, he's an expert in his field, I approached him and I'm his client, and the moment I approached him the benefit I got was tremendous. Guys, when a third person talks good about you, it makes an impact. Now you will ask me how many recommendations should we have? Ideally, the best case scenario, everybody should have more than 20 recommendations. Now you will say I have only 1 or 2 right now. It's okay, get it to 5 first. If you are at around 5-6 recommendations, get to 10 recommendations. If you are at 10 recommendations, get to 20 recommendations. But over the next 6 months you should take your recommendation section to 20 plus, because that is where that kick comes, that is where the impact comes, that your customer who comes onto your profile, your prospective customer who comes onto your profile sees that yes, there are other people also talking good about you. Now then there is a skill section where multiple people can come and vote you for your skills that are there. You have to ensure that the top 3 skills which are visible. तो होता क्या, अगर आप 20-25 स्किल भी डाल देते हैं जिसपे सबसे ज्यादा वोट मिलते हैं वही दिखते हैं, बाकी सब शो मोर में जाते हैं. So your top 3 skills which are visible should be in sync with what you have put in your headline, with what you have put in your cover picture, what you have put in your summary. Now होता क्या है, suppose you are good in auditing, but अगर आपके maximum votes taxation पे आए हुए हैं, then it breaks the sync. आपका जो flow है, जिस चीज के बारे में you are shouting that I am the best, the customers or the votes that you get also should count as that you are best in those very same things. Otherwise it's a disconnect that a probable customer who comes to your profile thinks. Then you have achievements, honors, you have options of writing any publications that you have done, any patents that you have. वो सारे प्रोफाइल के सेक्शंस हैं, आप जितने प्रोफाइल सेक्शंस ऐड कर सकते हैं you should keep adding, because again your profile is your product. With your engagement, with your content, with your commenting etc., you can pull people onto your profile, which is your product. But if your product is not strong, the customer will fall back. वो आपकी प्रोफाइल पे तो आप उसको टान लाओगे, बट अगर आपने खींच के उसको प्रोफाइल पे ले आया और आपकी प्रोफाइल अच्छी नहीं हुई तो वो वापस चला जाएगा, ना कि वो सेल में कोई कन्वर्ट होगा. Hence it becomes very, very important that your profile is very, very focused here. So guys, this is the profile part of it. If you have any questions on the profile, go to the questions tab and put it right there, so that when I start answering the questions towards the end, you can I can answer all of them as well. So that's where it is. Just let me go back to the screen. Sorry. Yeah. So the next part of the section is how do you use LinkedIn. So आपने profile अपनी बहुत सुंदर बना ली. How do you use the next part of your profile? How do you use it to make out content? Now guys, there is something that I will want to clarify. A lot of people come and say LinkedIn is a profile platform जहां आपको business मिलता है. LinkedIn is a platform जहां आप sales करते हो. LinkedIn is a platform जहां आपको job मिलती है. Guys, remember, it is neither of them. LinkedIn is a networking platform. LinkedIn is a relationship building platform. Business and sales is all byproducts of that. The more network that you build, a lot of you will be part of networking bodies. You will be part of CII, which is Confederation of Indian Industry. You might be a part of BNI as well. A lot of you might be parts of BNI as well. Now, difference क्या है? वो आपको networking कराते हैं. You generate business. Again, this is networking at a global scale. You are no longer restricted to Bombay. You are no longer restricted to Navi Mumbai. You are no longer restricted to Ahmedabad. Here, there are two things that you can do. One, connect with people from your industry, share notes, exchange, learn from each other. Second, showcase yourself as a thought leader so that your probable customers also come to you. Hence, LinkedIn becomes very, very important that you need to build relationships, you need to network. जब आप network करोगे, जब आप relationship build करोगे, आपको sale उससे automatically आएगी. ठीक है? Now, how should you start on LinkedIn? Now, there are 2-3 ways. You talk about content creation. आप अपने posts डालो. मैं उसके बारे में आगे बात करूंगा. Now, पहली चीज है, अब आप लोगों को invitation भेजते हैं. बहुत लोग invitation नहीं accept करते. The one way of increasing people to increase your acceptance of your invites is personalizing your invite. Now, जब आप invitation भेजते हैं, अगर आप laptop से भेज रहे हैं, when you click on the connect button, a box opens up saying, do you want to personalize your invite? And when you're opening from the app, there is an option in the more section which says personalize your invite. Now, why does personalization of invite become very, very important? Now, if you look at the 2 screenshots on the screen, these are screenshots that I have. I generally, in a lot of sessions that I do, I will finish this session. There are 200 odd people. After I finish this session and go back, there'll be at least 30 to 40 invitations that I get. Do I have the chance to go through all of them? No. Or if you look at the screenshot itself, there are 2,000 invites that I have pending at any point of time. Somebody who's so active on LinkedIn does not have time to go through all the profiles. What will he do? He will either look at your photograph, he will look at your headline. Agar nahi pasand aaya, he will either leave it like this or he will reject it. One way is you personalize the invite. Now, what happens here on the 2 screenshots? There is one gentleman जिसने 4 line लिखी है और वो ज़्यादा जगह ले रहा है. Now, what happens as a person who's seeing the invitations, my eyes go to it. It breaks the monotony. I am attracted to it. I will at least read why he's looking. Why are you trying to connect with him? So, first, it breaks the monotony. Secondly, somebody whom you sending the invitation to also gets an idea that why are you trying to connect with him. A lot of people, when you send a message, are apprehensive कि if I accept this guy's invite, he will send a sales pitch to me. And people don't like that. Either a sales pitch or a job request. आपके केस में क्या होगा कि अगर आप किसी से कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, सामने वाले को ऐसा लगा है कि द मोमेंट वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा, आप उसके पास बिजनेस के लिए मैसेज करोगे तो वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. बट अगर आप मैसेज करते हो नीचे ऐसे लिख के, he knows that why you trying to connect with him. Now, what can you write in this message? So you can say 2 things. If you're trying to connect with other chartered accountants or people in the finance field, say, I realized we are from the same industry, would love to connect and exchange notes and learn and share more. That is one way when you're talking to people जिनसे आप सीखना चाहते हो. The other way is when you're writing to somebody who in the future can be a probable customer. Now, the way of doing it is that you message him saying, I saw your post on the XYZ topic, loved your thoughts on it, would love to connect and touch base. Or I read your article in this newspaper, was very, very interested by your opinions on this topic, would love to connect and exchange more. Now, what have you done? अगर आपने उसके पोस्ट के साथ कोरिलेट कर दिया या किसी न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल या वेबसाइट आर्टिकल से कोरिलेट कर दिया and you give him a compliment, the guy in the front becomes vulnerable. The guy starts feeling good कि somebody's given him a compliment, he will accept your invite. Third thing, it also shows that you have taken an effort. Otherwise, what people do and what a lot of people do is go on to LinkedIn and then just go connect. पूरे सर्च बार में जितने लोग आते हैं उनको कनेक्ट दबा देते हैं. But अगर आपने मैसेज लिखा है, the guy knows that at least you've taken an effort of sending an invitation. Then a lot of people also ask me, Sampark, should we take the LinkedIn premium? I said, how much does it cost? He said, sir, 2000 रुपए लगते हैं. I said, 2000 रुपए में क्या मिलता है? He said, sir, सबसे important चीज जो मिलती है is that you can write messages to people you are not connected to. I am giving you a hack to be able to write to anybody without spending a rupee, and that is personalizing the invite. When you personalize the invite, there are 300 characters that you can write, and it does not matter whom you are writing to. Are you writing to Ratan Tata? Are you writing to Mukesh Ambani? The message via the invitation box will go directly to the person, and that is how it looks as in the screenshot. So you don't need to pay on a premium if in-mail or a direct mail option to somebody you're not connected to is your priority. There you have a limit of the number of people that you can use an in-mail in 1 month. Here that limit is maybe 80 to 100 in a day. So ऐसी कोई limit नहीं है, so you can obviously reach out to a lot more number of people. Now guys, also remember that LinkedIn is not just about adding connections. It is about how many of those connections do you know. उनमें से कितने कनेक्शन से आपने बात की है. Now होता क्या है, a lot of people put in the headline saying 15,000 followers, 20,000 followers. Guys, 20,000 फॉलोअर का क्या हम अचार डालेंगे अगर हम उनको जानते भी नहीं है? जस्ट भरने से तो कुछ होता नहीं है. आज 30,000 की लिमिट है, आप 30,000 की लिमिट तक आप पुल कर जाओगे, बट अगर आप जानते किसी को नहीं हो तो then there is no use of that connection. The connections should be people whom you can connect. The connections should be people with whom you can exchange notes. Connections should be people where there is a possibility कि आपको भी कोई फायदा हो. अगर आपको फायदा नहीं तो आप उसको फॉलोअर बना लो. Follower is, so if you look at my profile, I have 53,000 followers. 53,000 में कनेक्शन कितने हैं? केवल 8,000. Remaining 45,000 people, I have not accepted invites because I am okay with them following me for my content. They like my content. They follow me for what I write on LinkedIn. Hence, they are following me. But I will connect with only that person where I feel that there is something for me also. अगर मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं है, I am everybody on LinkedIn. Eventually, आज भी नेटवर्क भी कर रहा है या रिलेशनशिप भी बिल्ड कर रहा है. Eventually, वो अपना फायदा देखेगा कि मेरे को इस प्लेटफॉर्म से मिल क्या रहा है. अगर उस बंदे के साथ कनेक्ट करके आपको फायदा नहीं मिल रहा तो आप मत कनेक्ट कीजिए. आप अपनी 30,000 की लिमिट उन पे ना वेस्ट करें जहां पे आपको मिल रहा है. हाँ, पहले 1000-2000 में आप बोलेंगे वी शुड कनेक्ट बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ द नेटवर्क विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग बिल्ड. अगर आपके पास स्टार्टिंग में लोग ही नहीं है तो आपका कंटेंट कोई देखेगा ही नहीं. So that's where it becomes very important कि हाँ, initially you have people, but after some time, once you cross 1,000, 2,000 people, you should start selecting the people that you connect with. Only relevant people. Any people that where you feel there is no fayda, don't do it. So that's the importance of whom you should add and whom you should not add. Now that's with the personalized the invite. The next part is content and how do you create content on LinkedIn. I will, before I go there, I will come back to and answer that question to a lot of you guys who say, Sampark, I'm not very good at creating content. I'm not feeling confident in the starting. How do I do it? Initially, what you need to do is start engagement. How do you start engagement? Is start commenting on other people's photographs or posts or content. Now, the comment does not need to be saying good post, loved your post. It has to be an opinion sharing that you have to do. You have to give your opinion. You have to ask questions. You have to start conversations. The moment you start conversations is where you start building a network. People start knowing you. Guys, hota kya hai na? And as chartered accountants, your friends will also be chartered accountants. Your family may you will have lots of chartered accountants. Where is it that you guys can go and reach out and network with people who are not chartered accountants, who can be your probable customer? You cannot do marketing. जब आप marketing कर नहीं सकते तो आप कहीं पे ad तो लगा नहीं सकते. How do people come to know that you exist? The one way is either you reach out to them, you comment. It can be on any topic. It may or may not be on chartered accountancy, but if there is a post, somebody is written about Indian economy, somebody is written about the COVID situation, somebody is written about work from home, share your opinion. That is with the moment you start sharing your opinions, people start seeing you that you are there, they start viewing your profile, and then that day when he needs a chartered accountant, usko dimag mein chamakna chahiye ki acha, I know this guy who's on my LinkedIn, whom I've spoken to a few times, I can approach him. That's the whole objective of this. So that is where you should comment, like, post, etc., and do that. The next part that I come is, how do you create content on LinkedIn? Now, a lot of you will say, Sampark, I don't know anything beyond chartered accountancy. What can I write? You can write about the topics that you know. It's okay. And I'll tell you, there are two ways of putting content in your case. Either you go and put the technical content that you have. Now, what will happen with that is, which is also important, you need to put technical content also. What will happen with technical content is that the people who are engaging on that post are other chartered accountants or people from the similar field. So that is also needed, because then you need to network with people from your industry so that you learn and grow. And you also need to put out content, and even if you're putting it on your field, it has to be in the layman's term, so that एक आम आदमी भी समझ जाए आप क्या बोल रहे हैं. So I don't come from a chartered accountancy field, but there are things that I am very, very worried about. How does taxation work? How does GST impact me? Acha, what is the new law that has come out? Now, the moment you put things out in a very simple way, people like me will also start engaging. Now, I can also be a probable customer. So today, then I see that CA Virag has put something up, and I engage with it. I understand something like this. I keep seeing his posts. I keep engaging. आज से 1 साल बाद, 6 महीने बाद, कभी मेरे को CA की जरूरत पड़ी, तो I know मेरे को immediately strike करेगा. That is where being consistent on this platform becomes very, very important. Now, when you go to your profile, just below the summary is a dashboard section where you can see the number of people who are viewed your profile. That number is पिछले 90 दिनों में कितने लोगों ने आपकी प्रोफाइल देखी है. अगर आप देखेंगे, a lot of people, and I've seen the majority of that people, that number is less than 200. What does that mean? अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल व्यूज 200 से नीचे है, that means दिन के सिर्फ 2 लोग आपकी प्रोफाइल पे आते हैं. Guys, you need traction. You need people to come to your profile. You need people to come see who you are. जब आपको लोग देखेंगे ही नहीं, तो जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. आपको बिजनेस तभी मिलेगा अगर if you are out there. I'm not saying do marketing. You are not doing marketing. You are just being active. You're commenting, you're sharing your thoughts, you're putting out content, and people start knowing that you exist. The moment people know that somebody by the name of CA XYZ is there, they will come to you. Now, what kind of content should you do? The first rule of LinkedIn content creation is be consistent. मैं आपको ये नहीं बोल रहा कि हर दिन पोस्ट करो. Once in 2 days, good. Once in 3 days, good. But करो. हफ्ते में कम से कम 2 बार करो, और हर हफ्ते करो, साल के 52 हफ्ते करो. Now I'll tell you why is that important, and I'll give you an example. 1st January of every year, hundreds of people join the gym. Only 10% people survive going to the gym at the end of January, and only 2% of the people survive going to the gym by June. But the 2% people who survive till June come out with an awesome body and an awesome physique. LinkedIn is exactly the same thing. आपको जिम का ट्रेनर कभी ये नहीं बोलता कि हर दिन जिम आओ. वो बोलता है भाई तू 2 दिन में एक बार आ जा, 3 दिन में एक बार आ जा, but लगातार आओ. That is only when you will see the result. LinkedIn is exactly the same thing. You will have to stick to it for 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years. That is when you will get results. आप जब पहले दिन जिम जाते हो आपको बॉडी नहीं बनती है, but आप 6 महीने मेहनत करते हो तो आपको रिजल्ट मिलता है. LinkedIn is exactly the same thing. I test for me to come here and tell this to you with so much confidence. मेरे को 4 साल लगे हैं. मेरे को 4 साल लगे हैं to reach 53,000 followers. And yes, आज मैं आपको ये बोल रहा हूँ does not mean कि कल आप LinkedIn पे जाएंगे आप रॉकस्टार बन जाएंगे. But इतना I can tell you, what I have learned is trial and error. What I have learned is from experience. What I am sharing with you will speeden your learning up. तो जो चीज मेरे को 4 साल लगी है वो आप 1-1.5 साल में कर सकते हो. And that is the whole objective of this session. That you go there, you project yourself as a thought leader. You project yourself as somebody people who look up to in the stream or the industry that you come from. So it is about being consistent. Just stick to it. आप starting में करेंगे आपको result नहीं दिखेगा. आप अगर write का photograph देखें, what does the photograph say? It says think, write, edit, polish. So you think, you write, and then you improve. जैसे जैसे आप लिखेंगे you will improve. जैसे जैसे आप लिखोगे you will realize what works, what does not work. So again, practice makes perfect. And don't wait for the perfect post. Don't think, अरे लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अरे अच्छा नहीं लिखा, I am not satisfied. Guys, you should not judge yourself. Let the audience judge it. अगर हिंदी पिक्चर कोई बनाता है और मूवी के पहले डायरेक्टर बोलता अच्छी नहीं बनी, अरे भाई कई बार नॉट सो अच्छी लगने वाली पिक्चर भी चल जाती है. You should not judge that. Put it out. Let the people judge it. And then you realize what is good, what is bad, and you improve on it that way. So don't wait for the perfect post. There are a lot of times where I also think, yeah, this post is not good, but when I put it out there, I get 50,000 likes, I get 1 lakh likes, 1 lakh views. So that's how it is. Now, what kind of posts work? Now, there is one way of saying, I do this auditing kind of service. And there is one way of saying that there was this customer who was having a lot of problem with his accounts and taxation, etc. And it was at that time that he approached me, and I helped him out, and the problem got solved. There are two things. One, you said I do auditing and I do it well. And there is one thing that you said, that there was a customer whom you helped and he stayed happily ever after. That is a story format. अगर आप उस चीज को स्टोरी में डालते हैं, automatically the connect increases. Now, and that's something that I would want you guys to also tell me, that रात को 11-12 बजे ना वो टीवी पे those infomercial comes कि पहले बहुत मैं दुखी था, मैं बहुत डिप्रेस था, मैं बहुत अपसेट था, सब हंसते हैं उस पे. बट एवरीबडी, एंड आई कैन बेट ऑन इट, 226 लोग इस कॉल पे हैं, 226 के 226 लोगों ने वो इन्फॉर्मर्शियल्स कभी रात को बैठ के देखे होंगे कि पहले मैं बहुत दुखी था, फिर मेरे को ये प्रोडक्ट मिला, फिर मेरे प्रॉब्लम सारी सॉल्व हो गई. लोग वो क्यों देखते हैं? बिकॉज दोज इन्फॉर्मर्शियल्स touch your emotional chord, they touch your vulnerable chord, they touch that point which shows that rags to riches story. It shows the storyline, and that is exactly what any content that you create, चाहे वो written content हो, चाहे वो LinkedIn पे content हो, चाहे वो Facebook पे content हो, if you're able to touch the emotional chord, that somebody who's in a problem, somebody who's upset, and you've been able to solve, and that's how it reaches. Client के testimonials डालिए, that's how it works. If somebody else is posting about you, that works. Now, you'll ask me, how do I get the post viral? The post is about tagging people. Initially you should also tag people. You can tag your friends, you can tag your colleagues, you can tag influencers who have a lot of following. Now, what happens when you tag people? The moment you tag people, उनको एक notification चला जाता है the moment you post. In the first 1 hour of your post, the amount of engagement that your post gets decides कि वो post कितना चलेगा और कितना नहीं चलेगा. पहले 1 घंटे में, if the post picks up traction, the ball will roll. But in the first 1 hour, if the post does not pick up traction, it may start slowing down because LinkedIn will give priority to posts which are better. Hence, you need to tag people. So 4 से 5 लोग आपके पोस्ट में टैग होने चाहिए. There are at least 30-40 people who tag me on a daily basis. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको पता है मेरे को टैग करेंगे तो मेरे 50,000 लोग का नेटवर्क उनको मिलता है. So that's how it works. So you should always tag people as well. Don't use too many emojis. 1 smiley, 2 smiley is good. But there are people जो 15-20 smiley भर देते हैं, and then the whole post का professionalism and the seriousness goes. So there are 2-3 ways. What content do you want to put? Either you put it, you have to pick up your niche. Do you want people to know you for your chartered accountancy and your theoretical knowledge and the technical knowledge that you have? Yes. Then you talk about that. If you say that you want to create your impression as something else, then you talk about those posts as well. But the bottom line is, be consistent. If there is one thing that you should learn from this whole presentation, is about being consistent. That's the very important part. Now, what are the different types of content that you can create? You can create a written text, you can create images, you can create videos, and you can create documents. Documents are like the slide format, जो आपको bottom right side में दिख रहा होगा. Now, initially, don't run after views, don't run after likes. थोड़ा सा patience रखिएगा, you will get reaction with time. Now, how do you calculate? Don't run after the views. What is most important is engagement. Now, you look at the engagement formula that I have on the screen. It is likes plus comments divided by the views. That's the engagement that you need to check for every post that you do. Now a text जहाँ पे आपने लिखा है or a image kind of a post, your engagement is around 1.5%. So likes plus comments divided by views should be 1.5%. Why is the engagement low on text format? Is because it comes in the home feed. As soon as somebody is scrolling also, it gets counted as a view, irrespective of the guy reading it or not reading it. In a video, for it to get counted as a view, somebody needs to click on the play button and see for 3 seconds before it gets counted as a view. Hence, वीडियो में आपकी एंगेजमेंट ज्यादा होती है. एंगेजमेंट अगर अच्छा वीडियो है तो 6% एंगेजमेंट, वेरी वेरी गुड वीडियो इज 10%. टेक्स्ट इमेज 1.5% is good engagement, very very good post is 2%. So that's for your engagement that you talk about. The do's and don'ts on LinkedIn. And guys, very very important slide. Please understand all the points that we are talking about here. One, personalize the invite. I have already told that to you. Second, reply to all messages if possible. Sometimes you say that, sir, बहुत सारे messages हैं, कैसे reply करेंगे? But then when you reply to messages, even if it means saying sorry I cannot help you or sorry I don't have that information, अगर आप किसी को मना भी कर रहे हो तब भी reply करो, because you never know किस message में कौन सा business कब कहां से आ जाए. आपके पोस्ट पे अगर कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज जवाब दीजिए. रिप्लाई टू एवरी कमेंट. सम पीपल से संपर्क आई गेट 100 कमेंट्स, हाउ कैन आई रिप्लाई? आई गेट 200 कमेंट्स एंड येट आई रिप्लाई ऑन एवरी कमेंट, बिकॉज अगेन आपको नहीं पता है कि आपका कौन सा पोस्ट कहां पे, कौन सा कमेंट कहां पे चल जाए. दैट्स द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट इज देयर. ऑलवेज नेवर आस्क स्ट्रेट फॉर बिजनेस, ऑलवेज आस्क फॉर एडवाइस. सर, आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Whom can I connect with respect to the same? I would love to connect with the accounting team of your, or the commercial team or the finance team of your organization. Whom can I connect with? Even if you know that's the correct guy, because let him tell you, I am the correct guy, talk to me. Or he'll say, this is the correct guy, talk to him. But if you ask him that, sir, because a lot of people will, what they will do is they will search for the finance manager and they will write to him that I want to work with you. Guys, is he the decision maker? Is he the correct finance manager who looks after the field that you are looking at? First, check that out. That becomes very, very important. So use words like, can you direct me to the right person? Can you, I want to work with your organization. Can you suggest on whom I should approach? Can you suggest how I can go about it? Can you guide me on the same? So use words like suggest, guide, help, direction, and it always helps. The next point is very, very important. Always respect everybody's opinion. Guys, whatever you do on LinkedIn is visible to anybody and everybody. And I'll jump over to don'ts as well. Don't badmouth people. Don't badmouth companies. Don't get into arguments. Don't be negative. Now I'll tell you what, and it's a very, very clear example. Today, you switch on any Indian media channel, it is thriving on negativity. आपको fear, negativity, किसी की बुराई, and that is where they get their viewership. And that's because for them, that is the target audience. But realize that on a platform like LinkedIn, if you are talking bad about your political opinion, your religious opinion, you are bashing somebody up, you are abusing someone, guys, un posts mein hota kya hai? You'll get a lot of engagement. A lot of posts will, people will come, like, share, comment. But is the guy your prospective client? No. Is the person your prospective business partner? No. Is the client your prospective recruiter? No. Is the client your prospective employee? No. So the engagement that you got on the platform is the wrong set of people. So please ensure that इस platform पे आप जो भी करें, it is a professional platform. For any of those thoughts, there are loads of other social media channels, but this is not the social media channel that you need to do all that. Again, अगर आपको कोई criticize कर रहा है या आपके बारे में कोई बुरा बोल रहा है, please don't get upset. Again, you need to show your maturity. There are lots of times people come and say a lot of bad things to me on my post as well, but then the best thing is ignore. Again, also remember that you need to be active on LinkedIn not when you're looking for a sale. You need to be active on LinkedIn even when you're not looking for a sale, because building your personal brand is a full-time job. Guys, always remember that आज जो आप नेटवर्क बढ़ाओगे वो हो सकता है आज आपको बिजनेस ना दे, बट 1 साल बाद, 2 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद, आज जो 4 साल से मैं लिंक्डइन पे कर रहा हूँ, आज उसका बेनिफिट मेरे को अब मिल रहा है. Today is where I am getting so many webinars. How did I come to this session, and how did you get satisfied with this? Sorry, I think the screen moved. So
all members are requested to please submit your quick poll. It will take only few minutes. Just click and submit your poll.
Pati, we will close in 20 seconds. You please continue.
yeah, sorry, yeah. So keep building your relationship, and I think that's where it becomes very, very important. Now, the last part is a few LinkedIn hacks that you're talking about. Okay. Now, most of you will be people who own your own firm. If you have a company page behind it, you can change your company logo into a GIF as well. Now, GIF में क्या होता है कि एक static page पे हल्का सा एक थोड़ा सा movement होता है ना, तो it attracts a lot of attention. Hence, it becomes very, very important. The second part is that your connect ka default button that is there, that that can be changed into a follow button. How can you do that? They go into settings and go into privacy and change that. So what happens is that people can, instead of just connecting with you, they can follow you as well. So that becomes very, very important. The third thing is what I want all of you to do is customize your URL. आप जब LinkedIn में सर्च करते हैं अपने प्रोफाइल में, तो आपको ऊपर दिखता है linkedin.com/CAXYZ12345. कभी आप अपना किसी को LinkedIn URL देंगे तो 12345 बहुत अनप्रोफेशनल लगता है. So you can go, you can change it. So if you look at my profile now, it is there in the screenshot that is there. Is sorry, it is linkedin.com/in/Sampark Sachdeva. That is looks so professional, looks so concise. All you need to do is अपने profile पे जाइए, on your desktop, on the top right you see a profile and URL ka tab. Click there, click on edit profile URL, and you can customize it to whatever you want. You want to put your firm name, you can put your firm name. You want to put your name, you can put your name there as well. Okay, the fourth point, again very, very important for the people who are here, who are business owners. You own a firm. अब होता क्या है, when you are viewing your profile, on the right side you see people also viewed ka tab with the 10-12 names there. Now a lot of times a probable customer who comes onto your profile will also see your probable competition there. उसको दूसरे CAs का नाम भी दिखेगा. तो हो क्या सकता है, he might just go and click on some other CA and he might go there, और आपका prospective sale lose हो जाएगा. So you can close that tab so that some customer, probable customer who comes to your profile does not see this tab with 8-12 other names, which might be your probable competition as well. Hence it becomes very, very important. Now guys, what I want you to do is, okay, after this session, please go there and go back and make all the changes that we have spoken about. Okay, this is the last slide, and what I want you to do is, I'm going to the next slide. I want everybody to take a screenshot of this page and put it up on LinkedIn, tag me, tag Virag, tag the others, and write your views on this profile, on this session that you have done. And remember the quote, LinkedIn is a long-term investment. You are chartered accountants, you will understand this very well. It is a long-term investment. It will take time to give you good returns, but you need to be consistent. You need to be patient. You need to keep a lot of consistency there to give you results. So I want everybody to take a screenshot of this page, put this up on LinkedIn, and tag me also, because I would also want to show you the power of tagging. So today I want all of you to tag this as well. Viragji, if you can just put the feedback form in the chat while I answer the questions as well. So guys, this is what it is. You can start posting your questions in the questions tab. Guys, also in addition, I do one-on-one consultancies across. I help leaders and business owners also to give a complete makeover to their profile. These are one-on-one sessions that I do. In case any of you are interested, you can write to me at sampark@gmail.com, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn, or you can connect with me on Instagram as well. Please ये contact options note कर लीजिएगा. if you're sending an invite to me on LinkedIn, please send a personalized invite so that I know you are part of this session. Otherwise, I will never know that you have come from this session. So please note the email ID down. I will show the screen towards the end as well. So yeah, I'll go to the questions. So guys, any questions, if you have put up in the questions tab, I'll stop the sharing here.
Yes, Sampak ji.
Yeah, I'm just going through the questions. Can he see my message when I send him an invite or send a personalized message without any premium? Yes, personalized message can be sent with anybody, even without a premium part of it. Wait, how do I see these questions? Let us know, how do you post personalized message? Or personalized message, अगर आप desktop से कर रहे हैं and you press on the connect button, the box opens up on its own and you can personalize. अगर आप app से कर रहे हैं, then side में more का button होता है, click on the more option and you will be able to personalize the invite. विराग जी, आपने ये feedback form डाल दिया है? Guys,
Yes.
the feedback, please go to the chat option. I want everybody a little bit of support. I want you to fill up the feedback form. I want all the 200 people to fill up the feedback form, especially focusing on things that can be improved. I would love to hear from all of you. It's a webinar, so I didn't get a chance to talk to you directly, but that is the only way I can talk to you. If I get to know your feedback on the session, please put it up. So I'll go back to the questions. If a CA is still not on LinkedIn, what special care he should take to start from scratch and build an effective profile? So Adesh ji, you just need to go on LinkedIn. जो चीजें मैंने आपको आज बोली, please उसको एक एक करके आप सारी चीजें डालिए. You can also then start posting out content. If you need further help, I do one-on-one consultancy. I will be very happy to help you set up the whole thing as well. Can we create multiple groups in LinkedIn to share the content or messages related to a group based on skill set? Surendra ji, see, there are two ways. There is a group option as well, but again, group में either आपको सारे CAs ही मिलेंगे, तो आपके customer नहीं मिलेंगे. What ideally you should do is post it to the masses so that anybody and everybody sees your post. कल आपको कोई पता नहीं कि कल आपका कौन सा customer या कौन सा connection कल customer बन जाए. Can you see this? I have answered. How to have a personalized invite? Mehul, I have already answered that. Does LinkedIn help in attaining work from home opportunities for freelancing CA? This is a question by Mansi. Mansi, in this lockdown, I've been doing webinars after webinars. That is pure work from home. I am getting 100% of my business from LinkedIn. Yes, you can get a lot of business that is there. Which profile get more followed? Pradeep, sorry, you'll have to. You can just search for the LinkedIn Spotlight list and the LinkedIn Top Voice, and I'm sure you'll be able to see who are the top profiles you can follow. In recommendations, we should quite the person with his or name or whether they directly can add or not. Vishalji, I didn't answer. I didn't understand your question. If you can retype it again. Can we create LinkedIn account, one for personal, one for professional business? Surendra, LinkedIn is only a professional account. There are two accounts. One is your personal account, one is your company account. Yes, the business account you can create. That's your company page. That will be in the name of your firm. But by the name of Surendra, there will only be one account, which is your personal account. How do you ask for recommendations? You can go, just whoever you want to ask recommendations, you can just go to their profile. In the more tab, you will have request for recommendation. You can ask for recommendations. See, how do we get more recommendations? How shall we ask for it professionally? See, when you're talking about 5 to 10 recommendations, I'm sure you will have 5 to 10 very close customers whom you can send a recommendation request, then pick up the phone and call him and say, please, if you can write this for me. 10-20 तो वैसे लोग निकल ही सकते जिनको आप फोन पे बोल दो, because nobody will write it in the first shot. You will have to do a little bit of follow up. Let me see any other. Actually, I created LinkedIn profile becoming CA. At that time, I was working in industry, but I'm not active in LinkedIn in this scenario. Can I modify all the detail? Niti, there is only one profile. You have to modify that profile. Please do not create multiple profiles. If anybody needs any help on a pure LinkedIn makeover, if people want an advanced course also on how do you get business out of LinkedIn, feel free to connect with me. I've shared my email ID there as well. I will be more than happy to get in touch with you. So if you are a basic user wanting to start your LinkedIn journey, then also you can connect with me. If you're an expert user who has a good profile but wants to generate business out of it, yet you can get in touch with me. Also suggest few tips for corporate employees. Sajni, when you're talking about corporate employees, you can everything that I'm talking about can apply for corporates as well. It is, guys, always remember, LinkedIn is about creating your personal brand. People should know you. For a corporate employee, people should recognize Sajni for Sajni herself rather than the company that she works for. Hence, it becomes very, very important for you to start posting a lot of content on your niche, etc. Some of my connections forced to share images via premium mode only. What can we do? See, there are some connections which you might not be able to connect, but with the personalized invite, you will be able to reach to 95% of the people. Without that, you can only reach maybe 10% of the people. 5%, yes, wo tab bhi nahi hoga, because then you need, when you're talking about some of the connections forced to share messages via premium mode, guys, just send it via the personalized invite. It will work for you. While searching for job, is it necessary to say that you're looking for a job? Rahul, when you're searching for a job, avoid saying you're looking for a job, because then it shows desperation and nobody is there to sit and help you. The moment you will ask for a job, the samne wala banda becomes very, very closed and he says, "Yaar, chhodna, ye job maang raha hai, isko zyada, we will not pay attention to that." And that becomes very, very yeah. So, sir, I would want to work with your organization. How can I work? Whom can I get in touch with? Who is that I can reach out to? Can you direct me to the correct person, etc. Guys, please, whoever is there, fill up the form. I would genuinely request you to fill up the form. I see some 30-40 entries, but I would want everybody to fill it up as well, please. I'm looking for a job and I've already sent links to my profile. If I change the URL now, how will it affect my chances? See, Arushi, 90% of the people will never check those profile. It does not matter. And this is your LinkedIn profile. That is already connected to your profile. So don't worry. Change your profile, make it more professional, and send it ahead. Guys, always remember, I see a lot of questions on a job search. Please understand, it is job search. Jobs are a byproduct of the platform. आज आप जॉब ढूंढने बैठोगे, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि कल आपको जॉब मिल जाए. आज आप जॉब ढूंढने बैठोगे, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि आपको 1 महीने बाद जॉब मिल जाए. You have to create your personal brand. टाइम लगता है, because suddenly if you appear in a message box or somebody saying I am Sampark, I'm looking for a job, he does not know you. Why will he help you? You have to realize, the moment you create content, the moment you talk to people, the moment you engage with people, over a period of time, people start recognizing you. You build your relationship up, then you ask for a job. Can we directly message business owners on LinkedIn? Will it not look awkward? Amit, see, it will look awkward, but then don't start directly write with business owners. Na? Just write with them that, thank you for connecting, pleasure e-meeting you, hope all is well at your end. Because सामने वाला भी समझता है it's a networking platform. अगर वो उसको awkward लगता है तो कोई बात नहीं, वो नहीं जवाब देता, कोई बात नहीं. But then it is your work to build relationships. Go ahead and do it. What if I don't have testimonials? Ricky, if you don't have testimonials, please go and get them. It is as simple as that. Personalized gets reflected in the message, and the date and time is after the person connects. So Rohit, once it connects, only then it goes in the message box. But till the time the guy connects, it is there in his invitation box. So don't worry about that. You might not see it. You will see it in the message box when he connects. But before that, it is there in his invitation box. So don't worry. Does link? I have answered this question. How much does premium cost? Is it necessary to buy premium? Amar, I don't use premium. The starting price of premium is 2,000 rupees. It goes up all to the way to 6,000 rupees. There is a first month free that you get. I would suggest that you can please try that. If you like it. If you feel business is coming out of it, then take it ahead. Otherwise, it's not a compulsion kind of a thing. Just checking of how many of you have filled up the feedback form. Guys, I'm still not seeing too many feedbacks coming in. I can just see 50 feedbacks that have come. Please, that's a request. If you can just fill up the form. I will share my screen again once for you to see the last contact page. Please. So anybody who wants to get in touch with me, these are my contact details. I am again going back to this. I can help you with profile creation. I can help you with business generation. How can you use LinkedIn effectively? If you're looking for anything customized or a one-on-one, feel free to get in touch. LinkedIn and my Instagram handles are there also. I would love to hear from you guys. So yeah. So where is the questions tab? I have 1,000 connects who I want to ultimately convert as a client with a page. When or how one should I pitch? See, Farhad, you will get to know that with time when you should pitch, because initially ऐसा नहीं कि force push मत करिएगा, because होता क्या ना, लोग connect करते हैं हर जगह. आज मैंने आपको बोला direct मत भेजिएगा, तो आप 10 दिन connect करोगे, 11वें दिन भेज दोगे. But then when you push for a sale also, you should always say that I do this business. In case at any point of time you feel I can help, please do let me know. Don't say I am selling. Say in case at any time you need help, feel free to reach out. When searching a particular set of people, I can't see more than 1,000 people beyond 100 pages, even if search shows 36,000 pages. How to reach other 35,000? Nishant, reaching 35,000 randomly is not going to help you. Please understand, you need to go with a select set of correct set of people. Please put in more filters. There are a lot of filter options. Can come down to the, so if you are searching from Bombay, put in the industry, put in how big the organization are you looking for. आप 35,000 कभी भी नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. So the point is, make it a concise group and reach out to them. How to share videos on LinkedIn, guys? So you can either upload the video on it, or if you put a link, guys, another word of caution, do not put an external link in the body. जब आप पोस्ट कर रहे हो, आप पोस्ट के अंदर अपना वेबसाइट लिंक मत डालिएगा. अगर आप वो डालते हो तो LinkedIn senses that you are pushing traffic out of the platform, so your post does not pick up too much traction. So if you have to put a link, always put it in the comment. So you can write your post, and the last line you can say, for details you can visit the website which is shared in the first comment. So don't put the link in the post. That's a very clear no. Whether we should you should have two separate profiles. Company page should be company page, but there is only one. So on your LinkedIn, there are two options of creating pages. One is creating a company page, creating a personal page. Please company ka personal page mat bana dijiyega. Then that is not how it should be. That is there are two different pages. Please go and check what is the difference. Can LinkedIn allow us to share our post articles on anyone on LinkedIn, or first they have to be in your connections? When you're tagging people, you don't need to be in connections. You can tag anyone as well. How do you suggest to make the profile attractive for a new CA having only a year of working experience? Rashmi, that is what I have shared. If you want to learn beyond this as well, I would be happy to teach that to you in one of my sessions as well. Can CA create a firm page on LinkedIn? Yes, you can create a firm page on LinkedIn as well. So I think I've answered quite a bit of those questions that are there. Virag, Abhishek, you want to take? I would just check the number of feedbacks that have come.
Yeah, sure.
So Samparji, one thing I want to add you that as you said that in profile picture there is a cover page, cover profile photo is available. So after your session, I have updated just now my that cover photo also.
Thank you so much. Because again, that's a place that not too many people realize. So yeah, that is something that you should feel.
Sambhagji, how I mean, LinkedIn is important from the beginning or in recent time also, but how it will be more important after COVID, this situation, post-COVID, how it will be?
See, Viragji, it will become more very, very important is, and I'll tell you where it becomes very important for the chartered accountant community. And okay, please pardon me if there is somebody who feels this is not right. For somebody who's outside, for them, when you look at a CA, it is that the person he has a lot of technical knowledge, very, very serious, etc. That's the perception that an outsider has. But then it is a good place.
Perfect. There is no, I mean, second thought in that.
But this is a place where you can come talk about lot more things about you. People are wanting to make themselves little more approachable. People are wanting to move with the times. The full generation or the whole world, every corporate has moved onto I would say the online industry. People still think that CAs are a lot of, because it's a lot of books and accounts, etc. Very, very serious stuff. It is time that you come here. And I'll tell you, the younger generation who are there, and this is the feedback that I get from a lot of people, that people don't want to go to CAs, the old age CAs that have been there. The younger generation wants to go to somebody who is like them, who understands things that they feel, who connects with the pain of the today's janta. So how do you connect with them is, I would say, is with
LinkedIn.
So that becomes very, very important.
Any one-liner answer for how to, when I will post, how more people can like or share my post? How to do that in a, I mean, just one-liner answer, or how to?
So 2-3 things there that are there. One is, what time of the day do you post? Guys, किसी ने feedback नहीं भरा है तो please भर दो. अभी भी सिर्फ I can only see 90 feedback. Please, if the rest can also fill, I'll be very, very happy if you can do that. So one is, what time of the day do you post? The best times to post on LinkedIn is the weekdays, 9 in the morning and maybe 5:30 in the evening, because these times are just before people leave for office and before people leave from office. So while people travel, normal, not COVID times, before the COVID times was when people used to travel, was when people would generally see LinkedIn, and that is when they interact. So आप weekday में करिए, in timings पे करिए, put the right set of hashtags. Now hashtag research is something that you have to do. Is it chartered accountant? Is it chartered accountancy? Is it CA? Is it CA learnings? थोड़ा सा वो research करना पड़ेगा, which hashtag has more followers, and so that you can reach out to more people, and you need to tag people, and you need to tag friends also. So that becomes very, very important.
So one question from my side, that if one person is having 5,000 friends on Facebook, and
Right.
he has recently joined LinkedIn, so
Right.
how can he correlate both the networks or get more numbers on LinkedIn?
So when you go to your LinkedIn Connect option, it gives you an option to sync with at least your phone contacts. अगर आप मोबाइल से कर रहे हैं, you get an option of syncing with the mobile contact. So everybody in your mobile contact or your Gmail, if it is synced to the mobile, you can send a request to all of them as well.
But on means Facebook contacts, we don't have mobile numbers for all the contacts, ना?
नहीं. तो आपके Gmail में भी होगा ना, आपके email से भी contacts कुछ होंगे. See, Facebook वाला आप sync नहीं कर पाओगे, because Facebook is owned by Facebook, LinkedIn is owned by Microsoft. So
we can share
no
our profile link on Facebook.
Yes. That you can do, absolutely.
Okay.
Any other network is possible apart from phone contact to synchronize with the LinkedIn?
Email contact.
Possible.
Email contact, sir. Email. आपकी email में से कर सकते हैं.
All are requested to kindly fill the feedback form, and any unanswered question that will be answered, right? So one question from Ricky Desai: if we tag people, do it get posted on their profile? Will they object?
ना फिर से बोलिए एक बार please.
If you tag people, it get posted on their profile or
No,
with object?
it goes into their notification. It goes into their notification, and if he or she engages with the post, a part of their network also starts seeing your post. So I'll tell you what happens. You'll say that a lot of the people might get irritated. You do it once or twice, nobody minds, because when somebody tags me and my network sees that Sampark has been tagged, partly it's my marketing also. They also realize, okay, somebody else is tagging Sampark. That means maybe Sampark is doing something good. That kind. So don't think about it. Yes, don't push it too far कि आप दिन में 4 बार एक आदमी को पोस्ट मतलब टैग कर रहे हो so that his notification gets completely blown away. So don't do that. But again, the fact is that use it moderately, and yes, amongst your friends you can always tag as much as you want.
There is a premium membership also. Can you throw some light on the premium membership of LinkedIn?
Yeah, I answered that partly earlier as well. So there are 3-4 parts that are there. One is from a job search perspective, one is from a sales perspective. It starts from around 1,500, 2,000 rupees, goes up to all the way to 6,000. Now, one of the more important things there is that you get an opportunity to write to people. For that, I've already taught you the hack on personalizing the invite. Besides that, it allows you to see the number of people who have viewed your profile. Again, that's not something which is a make or a break kind of a thing. So for me, it has not worked. I used it for 3-4 months once upon a time. After that, I have not used. अगर आपको लगता है कि वो आपके use का है, then there is a 1 month free trial that you get. You should check that up, and you can put that up as well. You can use it if it in that 1 month you feel it is worth it, then you can go ahead and use it as well.
Sampark, meanwhile, one more question from my end. So we spoke about content creation. Now with writing articles and all, a major challenge that we face is the kind of formatting options available on LinkedIn are very limited.
Right.
So any ways to, maybe go around that?
See, the LinkedIn article format does not have too many options, I agree. But again, it's not a very, very highly viewed platform also. So you'll have to go ahead with those options only that are there. Otherwise, if there are smaller posts that you want to do with a limit of 1,300 characters, you can always put it in the posts. Now, difference kya ho jata hai? On the posts, you'll get much more views because the complete post is visible in somebody's feed. But when you post an article, only the link goes in somebody's feed. So the person has to click on the link, come to the post and read it. So not everybody will click on it. Only people who are genuinely interested in your content will click on it and come. Yeah.
Thank you.
So I don't think there are too many other options than yes, it's a little limited feature there. Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
One question from Rahul Patodia.
Yeah.
Is it possible to have 2 set of contacts? One set of contacts you build yourself on LinkedIn, who should be able to see all your posts, and other contact group of your current employer, who should be able to see only limited posts and activity of yours.
See, I'll tell you simple. You don't have that option on LinkedIn of tagging, and that is where at this I'm asking. I'm understanding is from someone who's working with somebody else who does not want to show his engagement to his current employer. Now, अगर आप suddenly job search के time LinkedIn पे जागोगे, तो आपके current employer को भी दिखेगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. लेकिन अगर I'll tell you, I'm telling you by experience. जब मैं on 4 years when I have just gone about every day on LinkedIn, my employer will never know when I'm looking for a job. If you suddenly become active, your employer will know that you are looking for a job. So there is no option of grouping it up, but the advantage of being consistent is that your employer will never realize if you are or you are not looking for a job.
So I think we have covered almost all the questions.
Right.
So would like to request one more time to all the participants to fill the feedback form. There are still few remaining, they have not filled.
Some 100. I've only got around 110 entries, so there is still.
But they are saying they are not able to see the feedback form. Right now we are. Okay, so all members are requested to please fill the form.
Virag, I've got 110 entries, so the form is working. If anybody feels, they can just copy the link onto a browser and just paste it there.
So now people are filling the form, so we are waiting.
नहीं,
Around,
ये तो आपने पोल डाला होगा ना फॉर्म में भी प्लीज एक बार, because there are still a lot of people pending. Right, Virag, anything else? Any other questions that are needed to be answered? Guys, if anybody wants to get in touch, I will just put my details again on the chat box as well. I'll just type in my email ID in case somebody wants to get in touch. Feel free to write to me, and I will just share my LinkedIn profile also. Anji.
Obviously, in your Sampark, one question I have Bhapna ji. On behalf of senior citizen, basically, I got few calls also that whether this link is also helpful for senior citizen or they should also join.
If you ask me, anybody and everybody should join, because even if you're not looking for business, even if you're looking for learning, I think it's a very good platform where you can share, exchange, share your thoughts, meet other people, etc. And I think it's a good platform for people to just exchange notes. Because देखिए आप इंस्टाग्राम पे जाएंगे ना तो हाँ आपको काफी यंगस्टर्स मिलेंगे, फेसबुक पे अब हर बंदा है और वो हर चीज के बारे में बात करता है, बट जेन्युइन लर्निंग का अगर किसी का इंटेंशन है ना, तो देन आई थिंक this is the place that you should come to.
Now I think we have covered all the questions. There are no unanswered questions.
So I have put my LinkedIn account, my Instagram account.
People are requesting for the presentation as well.
So वो देखता हूँ मैं अगर भेज सकता हूँ, because I hope people have taken notes. So yeah, I'll see if I can send a concise format for you as well.
Yeah, so now I can see the comments. Thank you, Sampark. Please send presentation. Please send presentation. Please, can we get the recording? So many or all that question. So Sampark ji,
I will talk to you. We can discuss this once.
Yes. So would like to request our guide, JCF President Navi Mumbai TC Bhapna ji, to have a formal vote of thanks for the session. Over to you, Bhapna ji.
Thank you, Viraj and Akhil, for arranging a very nice program and on this session. And it's my privilege to propose the word of thanks to Sampark Sachdeva for delivering a wonderful and interesting lectures on the feature of LinkedIn. It details how to prepare, how to use in an effective manner and all. And it's a very good cause that it is used as an investment, and it takes time to give you the return. This is a very well quote by the Sachdeva. Thank you for this good quote, and thank you, Sachdeva, for giving a good, wonderful lecture to the professional for the first use also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sampark ji. Sanchit, your comments.
Very informative session, really interactive. And while Sampark ji was speaking, I was also looking at my profile simultaneously, making some changes here and there, taking notes. So really very informative. So in today's times, we say that today your LinkedIn is your resume. So I think Sampark ji has very well guided us to build a very strong resume. And following these steps, I think we can really boost our career very well.
See, Sanjit, again, just one part where I'd like to add is, see, in 1 hour, in 1.5 hours, आज मैं उस लेवल की डिटेल में एक पॉइंट बता भी नहीं सकता. But अगर in this 1.5 hours, if I've been able to convey to people that this thing is very, very, very important. Irrespective of what I've covered, what I've not been able to cover, if I've been able to go into detail, not go into detail. But the whole objective of this 1.5 hour is for people to realize that the future of business is on LinkedIn. The future of every CA firm is on LinkedIn. The future for each of them to create a personal brand is on a platform like LinkedIn. So if you're not on the platform, come on the platform. If you're on the platform, use the platform to take your grip on that. Because yes, I also agree if 1 hour, I will not be able to do anything and everything in there. But that's my one bottom request and my learning that I would want to give away. If you're not there, please be there. It's a very, very important platform.
One thing I want to add in this whole thing. Virag is also having 7,000 follower on his LinkedIn page.
Mhm.
So without doing any efforts or extra things, he is already a celebrity.
Mhm. But Virat, what is also important is those 7,000 people, you should reach out and know as many people, because these are the people who will give you business eventually.
Right.
Vikas bhai, you want to add something? Vikas bhai. I think Vikas bhai is on mute.
Yeah, so I think it's a very nice, wonderful session, very interactive also. You have answered all the questions, and your presentation is also very wonderful. We're thankful to you to come on our platform, Years of Mumbai and What Next team. We are very thankful to you, and it will be very useful in this lockdown period and after lockdown period also to have a more interaction on LinkedIn by the CA community or by a finance professional community. So we are very thankful to you. So with this, I think there is nothing left out in this session. We can end here as well. And all are requested to follow Instagram. He has both already shared the in chat box the profile, and also all are requested who has not filled to fill the feedback form shared by him. Thank you so much all for joining. Thank you Bafna ji. Thank you Sanjit. Thank you Abhishek ji. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Virag. Thank you, Sampak.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.